Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am filming you 3 looks and I'm using the new Norvina palette from ABH, and this is what the palette looks like. Really awesome. So they are half shimmer and half matte. This definitely is something that I would think that Norvina or Claudia would be using. That is Anastasia's daughter. So I came up with 3 looks. This is actually one of them. I have 2 other ones. So I hope you guys like this kind of style, doing 3, trying out a new palette. Let me know if that is something you guys want to see in the future. And if you guys want to see how I came up with the 3 looks, please stay tuned. Hey guys, I am going to be filming you the 3rd and final look from the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And who knows, maybe I'll actually film some more, but for today, this is my last one. So here is the palette. Half are all shimmers and half are matte satin. Chose not to do a lot of purple looks because I know a lot of people are thinking, well, what else can you do besides for purple? So I'm going to do kind of like a smoky eye for you guys, but I'm going to incorporate, you know, more colors than just purple. So I'm going to use a Morphe M504 brush, and I'm going to start this look off with Incense and put this in the crease, blending it out from inner corner to the outer corner. Just getting a base shade down and blending it in pretty well. Next shade I'm going to go to is Eccentric, and on that same M504 brush. And do the same thing, blending it from the inner corner to the outer corner and rounding out my outer V. So I'm going to use a Sigma E40 brush, and I'm going to use a little bit of Soul, and I'm going to focus this in the crease but lower. I'm going to place that on with that E40, and I'm going to use that same 504 brush and blend it out. I'm going to use little circular motions and also back and forth. And just blending it all out. Using a MAC 242 brush and the shade Drama. And I'm going to use some of MAC Fix Plus. Spritz my brush, and I'm going to pat this in the outer corner of my eye. Going in with some more of Drama on that same brush. I'm just using a color switch to clean my brush off, and I'm going to go into Rose Gold on that same MAC 242 brush, spritzing my brush again with some of the MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to apply the shade in the center of my eye to meet up with that last shade. I'm kind of placing it into it and dragging it into that other shade and pulling it forward towards the inner of my inner corner. I'm going to reach into a little bit more of Rose Gold, and that brush is still a bit wet yet, and I'm going to apply a little bit more. Going into a little bit more of Drama and re-intensifying the outer corner. Going to use a Sigma E38 brush and blend the edge out. Going to go in a little bit of Soul again on that M504 brush, tapping it off. And blending out the edge with a clean brush. Starting off that 242 brush one more time. I'm gonna go into the shade Summer, using a little bit more of the MAC Fix Plus. Spritzing my brush and applying this in the inner corner and blending it into Rose Gold. I'm gonna bring this in forward all the way. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more of Summer, apply this in the inner corner and down on the lower lash line just a little bit. Just gonna take this little Stella brush, a little clean one, and go in with a little bit of shade Dreamer. And just put this in the inner corner and blend that shade out. Using that same MAC 242 with a little bit of Dreamer, just putting a little bit of this on my brow bone. Going to use the ABH Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to use a little bit of Spectra, just a little bit on my fingertip. I'm just placing that on top of Rose Gold and blending them together. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Eclipse and putting this in my inner corner. Just gives a little bit of extra dimension and a little bit of glow. So I'm going to use my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara and put a coat of mascara on my upper lashes. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Sasha again. I'm going to let those sit, and I'm going to use MAC Eye Kohl in Smolder, and I'm going to run this across my lower waterline. I'm going to use a Morphe R41 brush and a little bit of incense and volatile, and I'm going to drag that across the lash line into the black. I'm going to use that MAC 242 again. I'm going to go into Drama. I'm going to put this in the outer third of my lower lash line. I'm going to go into Rose Gold with that same MAC 242 brush and apply this in the center of the lower lash line. Picking up a little bit more of Drama. I'm blending those two shades together. And I'm going in with this shade Summer on that same MAC 242 brush and putting this in the edge section. Blending that into the Rose Gold shade. I'm going to reach into the shade Eccentric on the Sigma E44 brush and put that shade below the shades we just blended out with. I'm back into Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit Cosmetics and applying some of this mascara on the lower lash line. I'm going to line my lips with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude. some of Charlotte Tilbury's lipstick in Kim KW. And I'm going to blend this lipstick out. Going to use a little bit of ABH's lip gloss in Gilded. And I'm going to blend that out again with my finger. And I'm just going to